Okay, this is a manifestation secret that works amazing. Start with thought one, thought two, and thought three on the left hand side. And we're going to actually write down thought two would have as if you manifested $10,000. So the first one would be like, I have $10,000. The second one is, this is a miracle. And the third one is, I am so surprised. And then we're going to link our feelings to each thought. So draw three arrows from the three lines of the thoughts and write down feeling one, two, and three. For feeling three, we'd feel so excited. For number two, the thought of this is a miracle, the feeling would be blessed. And for thought number three of I'm so surprised, your feeling would be stunned. Now, draw a circle around all of these three thoughts and feelings together, because this is going to make sure that each of these thoughts and feelings are completely combined together energetically. Then you're going to affirm the three thoughts or three T's for 5 minutes over and over and over. You're just going to say all three of them out loud. And then you're going to affirm the F's, the three feelings for 5 minutes. You're literally going to say, I feel stunned, I feel blessed over and over and over. Circle those when you're completed with a highlighter and draw a star at the top when it's all complete.